Good morning, Marty. Hi. Is rubbing the door get me out quicker? There's Morris. And Stripe is right there. And there's Tux. They're all waiting on me. Wow, it still feels nice out here this morning. It's going on 8. It's cloudy, but A says it's not supposed to rain. Hope not after we washed Ruby. There you go, bud. Good morning. Yeah, if the temperature were in the upper 60s, low 70s, I wouldn't be surprised this morning. You know, when you walk outside in June and you can feel a little bit of a refreshing chill to the air, you know it's a good day. So, obviously we're out here on the trail. Dawn's ahead of me because I've been stopping to throw more stuff into the woods. And it's pretty nice out here. And I've worked up a pretty good heart rate here, bending over, picking up, throwing, bending over, picking up, throwing. It really does increase the exercise. So Donnie, I think this is probably somebody put this out for the kitty. It's a water bowl. Although it's got strawberries in it. I don't think the cat will eat strawberries. That would be good for a turtle though. Turtles eat strawberries. Those little box turtles, the natural ones in the wild anyway, they love them. Them and mushrooms. No kitty sighting. So over on the left side of the field, the guys are spreading a little more mulch, and over here on the right side of the field, they're doing fence repair. So they are 100% taking the fence down and putting up a new fence, which I'm just a little dumbfounded because that's an expense, and the fence is in 85% good shape. I mean, it needs some repairs, but it's in pretty good shape. But apparently they want to make this ball field look like the ball field at Action Park, and it has the fancy new black fencing. I'll have to stop into Action Park. That's up by Lighthouse Gym. That's the other side of town, up by Aviator. But I'll have to take a look in there so I can see. And I guess taking it down right before the 4th of July celebration is cool. And then you know, starting to put it up afterward works too. But wow, I thought the fence looked fine. All right, it's 9:15. It looks like rain, but A said no. Nobody here yet to play. They'll be here at 10. The camp kids will come out, and the local parents will start showing up with their kids. A lot of parents like to come in the morning, so when it's nap time, they just stop, you know, quit for the day. Plus the sun's getting too hot then. I was really busy in the morning. Kitty, good morning. Good morning, Kitty. How are you? Hi. 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 You gonna be a leg rubber? I ran from Kitty to the end of the trail.
You sure did.
I don't know how far that rates to going around the track, but it's more than one time around.
Yeah, I would say that's fine. Yeah, one time is for sure.
All right, I'm off to the chiropractor and my normal Tuesday stuff. Yeah, that was my phone, just slid off my knee. It's all right. I'm on time. I got 4 minutes to spare. Johnny wants Chinese food. We might go out to the mall tomorrow. You know, it's hard to get, you know, it's not the best day for people to come with me if I'm gonna be at the chiropractor. Although today is only a 30-minute wait. Anyway, Dawn's working. Johnny's up and doing stuff on the computer, YouTube's robot stuff, and I'm on my way out to shop. Ruby does a really good job over here taking this exit. minutes on the turn signal. She'll also signal again because I've got to take 59A here. I'm going to bump her down on the stalk to 60 mile an hour instead of 70. She just changed to city driving. I'm helping her out here and slowing down a bit more. Of course, it takes her a while to respond to the fact that I've slowed her down on the city stack. It's much faster on the interstate stack. Well, Ruby sure does look nice and clean. I really appreciated all the glasses. Spot free today. I like clean glass, like Don likes clean wheels. Alright, my 30 minutes on the table, the pulse table are up, and I am headed over to Guardian Angel Apex. As has been the typical symptom on the second ride of the day, I get the autopilot camera's unavailable message. Pulling out of the garage in the morning, first ride of the day, cameras are always good. Well, I see 3 Pennsylvania plate midnight silver metallic Ys. And, you know, we can look at the plates today. JVY, KLP. I can't quite read the other one. Anyway, it's likely these are the ones that started out at this location. Although I couldn't say for sure. I guess this one is KLB. But they've at least gone out and come back. Used locally maybe. Maybe gone on a trip, but then back to the same location. Taking a quick peek to see if I see any other 3s or Ys. They have a lot of these Elantras. They were here sort of last week too. Must be a popular rental for Hertz. Alright, the 3 Ys is all I see. This is pretty cool. It's an iron that's a chair, or it's a chair that's an iron. It looks like it also, you know, you'd like, I guess you loosen these on the side, and then this hinge allows the iron to go flat. That's pretty cool. Never seen anything like it. And at 34, that's not bad. Wonder how comfy the chair is. Very cute little teapot. Here's a whole set. Who made the set? The set is by very small text. Royal Terra Hall. That's pretty neat. There's only one of them though. It's heavy. It's to hold up books. Looks like they sold a good bit of the milk glass. A smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. Oh wow. I think I'm gonna have to pick a few for my fairy garden. Maybe this one right here. So I ended up with 2 pieces of jewelry for Michelle, a pair of shorts, and 2 exercise shirts for me, and some of those fairies. I bought 3 of them. So I was pretty excited about what was in there today. I wish I'd have found some Legos, but you know, other than that, it was all good. The lady in there, I don't know if you guys can see, but I wore that Power to the Cat Ladies t-shirt today, and the lady in there was like, at the register, where did you get that? I really like that. And I'm like, I got it at Fuquay. I got it at Guardian Angel in Fuquay. And she's like, dang it, they get the best things over there. So, yeah. There is a midnight silver metallic Model 3 here now, but it's owned by someone. Had climate on, not a Hertz plate, local person, probably enjoying lunch at Mamma Mia Bistro and Pizza. It's a good Italian, especially for lunch. There's also a locally owned white Model 3. So all the Teslas are shopping at Guardian Angel today. Ruby's up at the top of the hill like usual. So far I don't see any cool EVs. Okay, there's a Model S. Not brand new though. Well, I got what I needed at Whole Foods and I'm headed back to Fuquay now. It is a nice day. Ruby currently says it's 84 out there. It's really not super hot. Navigation has me going a little bit around about the back way. She says this is faster today. I'm gonna believe her. I have since learned this is, wow. That is turnpike stuff going on there. Dusty. We need some rain. I was just gonna say I've learned to trust her about whether or not I should take this country road or not. It gets you around several stoplights, and not so much at 2:30 in the afternoon, but certainly at 5 p.m. it's faster. Well, it was about time for the fireworks people to put up their tent. I see they've moved out of the center of the parking lot this year over to this unused lot. That's probably for the best. I updated, the Tesla confirmed my service appointment for Thursday, and they put in a statement on the invoice to check the tire pressure, you know, the normal boilerplate stuff. And then another thing that appears to be a recall notice, thanks to a tip from a friend, that has to do with the autopilot cameras, but I'm not convinced it has to do specifically with Ruby's problem. So I updated the ticket back asking if they'd reviewed the logs, found anything, and if they have cameras available should they determine one of the cameras needs to be replaced. That I am, you know, really want Ruby to only be there for the day on Thursday, and we'll see what they say, because I got to drive Ruby to Charlotte Friday afternoon, and I don't want her to go up there and then they determine the camera needs to be replaced, and then they order the camera, and they may or may not want me to pick Ruby up, and it's end of quarter rush. And so I'm trying to look out for myself and be polite, courteous, and helpful all at the same time. Wow, they really do have it down. Wow. I like having a welcoming committee.
That's right. You brought victuals.
I did, yes.
Victuals?
Yeah, it's garlic shrimp.
Oh boy.
And this is in honor of our friend Richard, with a 98 safety score since January, who's still waiting for the beta to roll out to his Model X.
This one's for you, Richard.
Yep.
I'm doing this garlic shrimp just for you, baby.
So I got the top on, built the stairs, and there's a couple of curtains in here. I'm one short on the right color green, but there's a one of those on each side that I got to fix that one piece. But it's coming. I just had a few minutes to work on it today. I dropped Johnny off at Taekwondo, and I'm gonna go into Kohl's and Big Lots tonight. If I see that at Guardian Angel, I'm buying it. It has a price tag, a regular price of $60. I think it's all 50% off. So, oh wow, it'd only be $30. Goodness gracious. I didn't buy anything. I saw one butterfly hand towel that I liked at Kohl's. But please tell me why they charge an outrageous price for the hand towels, and they give you one nice hand towel and then they put one junky hand towel behind it. Like, is there a reason why I can't have two nice hand towels and a decent price for both of them? Guardian Angel has me spoiled. Now, they have raised their price from $1 to $1.25, but still, I'm spoiled by the choices at Guardian Angel.